Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are on this gorgeous day. A little bit buggy out here and whatnot, but still, nice day out here. And we are talking more about the Enlightened Life series, of course, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. So let's dive right into what is going on there and talk all about this one. This one is part 50 parts in, halfway there basically. And yeah, this part is about being present. So be present is the name of Principle 50. So, how will this help you be happy? Well, of course, I'm going to end up quoting Kung Fu Panda here about how yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present. And as funny as Oogway's line is there, it really is the truth about how happiness and our lives really work. It's all about being in the present moment. So you can hear a lot of this when it comes to Buddhism, when it comes to Taoism. Many enlightened philosophies really talk about being present as a kind of key component of happiness. Because the thing is, when you're thinking about the past, I mean, this is basically the whole phrase out of 101 Ways to Motivate Yourself, another, series I shot that was 101 parts, for example. Check that one out if you guys have not seen it when I've done my summary of it, or read the original, of course. But yeah, in that book, it really goes through a part about how don't stay in the past and unless you really like guilt. Guilt's a completely worthless emotion, as we all know from my talks all about that one. And of course, you don't want to be living so much in the future unless you're so fearful of all of these things in your reality. Unless you like fear, don't live in the future. But you want to stay in the present moment. And this is really hard, because it's easy for us to easily spend all of our time in the past and the future. And naturally, it is good to think about the nice things from the past. And it's good, of course, to think about our futures and to plan for things. That is important. But the problem is that when we spend all our time there, we're always feeling fearful, or we're going to end up feeling basically kind of guilty. And those are basically bad emotions we don't want to have, because we're spending that time in the wrong frame of reference. We're spending our time in the past or the future, okay? We want to live in the now. We want to enjoy our lives and what we can do right now. Now, this isn't always easy because of perfectionism, because of that attitude, but if you can start trying to spend more time in the now, you will end up being a happier person. Anyway, I am Walt. Check out some of my materials on Amazon if you guys have not already. I'll link up the books in the description over there. If you don't want to do that, then just stay around on this channel. Anything you can do to spread the word, spread these videos, help some more people, that is always good stuff. So, thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you guys more about these principles in the next video. So, stay tuned for part 51, and I'll see you guys later.